Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be doing a lot of cleaning, decluttering, and reorganizing, deep cleaning my kitchen. So if you need some cleaning motivation, that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. If you are new here, my name is Ivy. I'm a wife and mama of 4 older kids. And on my channel I like to do cooking, cleaning, homemaking, and lifestyle type things. So if any of that interests you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. So let's just go ahead and get a lot of cleaning and decluttering done.
I'm not wasting your time. I'll give you all of me. I know you love me long time, so I'll never leave. I found what I've been looking for. This feels so right, something wonderful. I know that you hold me down when I am lonely. Lord, you got the key to my heart. Been looking for you every day. Found you, there is no other way. And now I found you, there is no other way. Oh, now I found you, there is no other way. Found you, there is no. Found you, there is no. Found you, there is no other way. My fears, my doubts, my past won't scare you off. You know the worst, but you restored my heart. I feel strongest with you. You make a better me. We're a forces of bed. Me solo can't compete. Think I found what I've been looking for. This feels so right, something wonderful. I know that you hold me down when I am lonely. Lord, you got the key to my heart. Been looking for you every day. Found you, there is no other way. Been looking for you every day. Found you, there is no other way. And now I found you, there is no other way. Oh, now I found you, there is no other way. If only I had listened for a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left I could feel it grow, like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul, and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know. I see the door you closed is open wide, and a better version of me inside. Let me in, let me stay there for a while. I feel it now when I see that smile, like a body of water.
So this is where I start my reorganizing and decluttering. I'm just going to be going through my cabinets, going through my drawers, looking through and seeing if there's anything I need to get rid of or that I want to get rid of. There's a clip of me taking all of the pots and pans out, and it is missing, so you're not going to see that part. But here I am looking through the plates and the bowls, and I decided to keep those because I might use them for fall. So I'm just straightening out stuff, looking through it, and deciding what I'm going to keep, what I'm going to get rid of. There was a couple of things that I did get rid of, and like I said, there's some clips that are missing from this video, but there is a lot still left in this video. So let's just continue to clean.
Like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul. It gets harder. It was never under my control. You know. I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. 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 I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without, oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be fine.